Okay, today we are going to discuss how to create a poster design, and I need a poster design of any food advertisement. So let's see how we create that. First of all, there's the one option like if we need all the panels in our complete system, how we can do that. And here, I'm just going to cross extra things. Okay, there's a one thing that I will also tell you, like if we need to create a new one, like we need to decide the flyer size, the complete my flyer and the complete my ad size. So I'm going to create this in the A4 size. For that, simply I need to click on the new one, and there's an option of by default A4 paper. From here you can also select the A4 paper size, like if we need in the inches and the pixels. And from here you can change your name of your complete design, and I'm going to give them a mm, food ad. Okay, like this. And this one is a CMYK. If we are going to create any ads, so it's mean we are going in future goal we need to print that. Okay, for the printing we normally use the CMYK color, and I'm going to create this now. And here you can see we have a complete A4 paper size. After that, which color we need to going to use that? This one is the my color palette. I create this by my own, and I'm going to use this in my complete design. This one is the color palette. This is the very simple. If we need to create any color palette, like for our reference, which color we are going to use. First of all, create a small square. And from here, just select the color. Like this is my aim. I'm going to select these colors like this. And after that, in the future, we use these colors in our complete design. Okay. So these are my some color palettes. After that, now we need to start our complete design. And in my folder, I pick some assets. This is one plate. This one is the PNG image. This is my background that I'm going to use. This is also some PNG images that I'm going to use in my complete design. So first of all, just drag this background to my Illustrator like this, and just fit this according to my design. And yeah, this is my complete size. I just fit that. And after that, I just need to check about the layers as well, side by side. Okay, this one is my complete layer, and I don't want to move this layer again, so I'm just going to lock this layer. So here you can see I'm not able to move this one. After that, again, I'm going to create a one square shape. Okay, there's a one thing when I lock this screen, I'm not able to edit this A4 paper. So I just unlock this one. So this is just for the testing, like if we lock, then what are the side effects and what are the benefits of that. I'm just going to close this one now. And from here, I pick one square, create a complete square design here. I just need to cover this complete A4 size like this. Okay, I covered this complete A4 size, and now I'm going to change the color. Here you can see I use the color palettes here. So how use that color palettes in my design? I simply select this square by using the selection tool. Then this is the one tool, uh, ink drop. Okay, eye drop. Sorry, this is the one tool, eye drop. I just pick this and pick the color from here, from this color palette, and drop it here. So again, I'm going to tell you about the eye drop color. If you need to paste any color by using the eye drop, and if you need to get any color, suppose this is my one picture and I want to pick one color from this one. Okay, first of all, I'm going to select my shape in which I'm going to add a new color. After, use the eyedrop color and pick any color. Suppose I need this red color. I just click on this one, and here you can see I get the red color. If I'm going to select this dark portion, I get this color. Okay. By using eyedrop, we can get color from any image by using simply the eyedrop. Okay. So here I need a black color. First of all, I select my rectangle, then select eyedrop and pick the color from here. Okay, this is one. But here you can see when I select this color, my background image is not visible now. So how that image will be visible? Simply click on that, and here go to the gradient, and then go to the transparency. We just decrease the dip- opacity of my front image, like the my front square. I just decrease the opacity, so at least I'm able to see my background. Okay, I don't want to get the exact picture of my background. I just need a minor effect. Okay, so this one is my background now. If you want, you can also increase your color, like if you need only the minor effects. Okay, this one is my background. After that, I need a asset. I need to put this plate at the middle of my design. Okay, the plate size is very large, so for that, if I need to decrease the size, there's one thing, I'm just going to drag like this. Okay, and other thing is that if I want that my dimension will not disturb, I'm going to press the shift button and just drag it down like this. Okay, after that, just put it in the center. For the center, you can select the shift tool to get exact dimension. Okay, so by using the shift tool, shift will guide us that we are on the right point, center point, or not. Okay, this one is my center point now. After that, I need to create some designs from top and bottom. How I can use that? For that, I'm going to use the brush. Okay, just select the brush. And if I need a multiple effects of the brush, you simply go to the windows, and from here you can select a brush. From here we can directly select the brush, and there's the other option is F5. You can press the F5 from your keyboard. You also get the complete brushes effect like this. Okay, these are all the brushes designs that we can able to use in our systems. And from here, this is the one option, brushes library. When we go to here, and from here we can find a different type of brushes designs. Let's check. Okay, these are some designs. Let's explore all the designs. Okay, these are some designs, these are some blurry effects. Other than that, if we're going to the vector one, these are some designs. We are also going to use something like these effects. And what other we have? If we go to the artist, okay, uh okay, these are also some designs. So let's see what we are going to select for our system here. Make it a little bit large, because I think these brushes are a little bit cute and nice for our design. So I'm going to select this one for my complete designing part. Okay, so for that, first of all, simply select this brush. Draw anything you want, like you write you want little bit designs. Okay, there's a one thing, you can create it with the brush tool as well. And first of all, let me change the color. Okay, for the color, I simply select this again, hydro, and I'm going to select this color and move it to the stroke, because if we are working with the brushes, we only need a color on stroke. Okay, again, I'm going to select this, and here you can see, but I need a color only in the stroke. Okay, there's a one thing we can use by using the brushes, and from here you can see I select this effect. Okay, I just draw and then select this one. And other thing is that we are also able to create by using the pen tool. Like if we need any curve or anything, we simply create by pen tool, then press the escape button to get rid of this pen tool, and then select this design if you want. And other thing is that we can also select the stroke size. But at the end, we adjust the complete size of our stroke. First of all, we just create a complete design, like what things we want here. Okay, here I'm going to create a smaller one. Again, going to select this one. And again, I'm going to select this one. Okay, going to press at the end, just press the escape, so it will help us to get rid of extra pen effect from your design. Here you can see, and from here I'm just going to create a small one and press escape. Okay, now just select this one. Okay, when you select this pen tool, here you can see we have a stroke size as well. From here, if you need to decreases the stroke size, increases the stroke size, you can easily do that. Suppose I'm going to decrease the stroke size to this one. I am going to add the color and going to, sorry, this one is the effects of the my pen. And again, I'm going to decrease the size of my stroke, move it little bit upside. Then these are two different strokes. I'm also going to decrease the size of these strokes as well. And adjust all the elements according to your design, like which type of design you want. This is my top corner. Now I need some designs in my bottom corner. Again, select the pen. create some designs like this. Make a minor curve, press the escape so you get rid of this extra pen tool, and then press this one. You can, at the end we can adjust the complete sizes, move it little bit down. If you want to decrease the size, you can also do that, and if you want to increase, you can also do that. Okay, other than that, again we are going to use the pen tool. Make a minor curve here, select the brush tool. You can select any brush from here, design like according to you which you like. You can select any design. Okay, and then again we are going to create a small designs from here. Press escape, and again we are going to create a smaller one here because we just need a designs. Okay, and that's it. Okay, this one is also my one design, and I just need to adjust this now. Move it little bit now down and decreases the size like this. Again I'm going to move this one like this. Okay, move it a little bit down. I think this size is fine for me right now, and if we want to increase anything, we can do something like that. Okay, increases the size, you can rotate it. Again, move this down, move this upward, and if I need same like this one, I'm just going to control and C, control C, control V to get the copy of this one. You can also create a copy and just zoom in if I need to rotate it, because this one is a very smaller one and I just want to rotate this like this. Okay, and move it a little bit up. Again press Ctrl 0 so it will give us the complete view. So my these things are done. This is some extra one. I'm going to remove this one. After that, I need some dot effect. So how can we can create that? Simply select the circle, make a small circle. For the smaller one, I'm just going to zoom in so I'm able to create a more smaller design. Okay, make it like this. Okay, and just change the color to a white. Double click and change the color to white one. Control C. We just need to check is it fine? Yeah, for me it's fine. Okay, there's a one thing, you just zoom and drag and drop. There's the other thing is that by selecting the shape, just press, and from here you can select the width and height as well. Just cancel. Okay, now there's the other thing that we used is the duplicate tools. How duplicate, like Control D, we used in our previous lessons. So how we use that again, just select this and make it little bit minus. Okay, just select this, press Alt and then Control D. Okay, and there's a 1 2 3 4 5, we need a sixth one. Okay, this one, and again just make a group, select all of them, press Control G, and again I need a one more copy and move it like this. Okay, this is our one design. Just make a group and then move this in our. Okay, for that I think I need control again. I'm going to press the Control G. I need more gap. Just press, and I need little bit gap between them like this one. Okay, Control G and place it here. Okay, I just place at the top of my design. I think so. No, that's fine. Okay, just make a copy of this again. Control C and Control V and place it at the bottom as well. Okay, this one is my copy and place it here. And for the bottom, if you want, you can increase the numbers as well. I'm just going to ungroup all. Select this, zoom in. Just zoom in, move it down. This is my shape. Again, I'm going to press Alt. Again, I need to zoom in because this one is a very small circle. So just press Alt and drag like this. And again, Control D. Okay. So again, make a group of this one. Control G. Remove this one because I need a copy of above one. And press Alt. and move like this. Sorry. While you're going to create a copy, don't remove your hand from your alt button, otherwise it will remove, like as it happens before with me. It will not give you a complete copy. Just drag it down like this and place at the bottom. And if you want, you can increase the size between them, like make it, again I'm going to ungroup, control plus. Control plus is just for the zoom in. Move it down by using your mouse and like this. Okay, I don't want to control 0. Now I have a complete shape. After that, I need to adjust my other elements like this one and this one. I'm just going to select both of them, drag, drop, and here you can see. But here you can see the size is very large. I'm just going to pick one by one. This one, shift and make it smaller like this. Again, this one, shift and make it more smaller. Then select both of them and move it into my artboard. And now I can adjust it according to my design. Put it here. Other than that, take this, make it more smaller and adjust it here like this. Okay, I adjust both the things. After that, I need some effects, some background effects. So just select this plate and then go to the effects, style. Okay, this is the one outer glow and other one is the drop shadow. So first we're going to check outer glow. For the outer glow, here you can see we can change the color, like we need a glow in black color. Here you can see now it's in the black color. If you need a glow in some golden color, if you need in the white color, you can select any color you want. Okay, this one is the you can say this one is the effects. Okay, the filters that we can use. We can adjust the screens overlay from here. If we need a soft one, hard one, we can adjust anything. This one is the blurriness, like how much blurriness we need. आगे पता चला. Okay, so from here we just need to select the effects color, and this is the effect. We select the drop down as well, inner glow, outer glow. So here I'm going to select the outer glow, and from the outer glow you can select the colors as well and opacity. So select the opacity from here. Like if we need to decrease the opacity, you can decrease the opacity from here, and also the blurriness. Like how much blurriness you need, you can decrease it and you can increase it as well. So here you can see if I decrease the blurriness, it will not give us a good result, like a shadow effect. And I'm simply going to increase my blurriness, sorry, and little bit increases my opacity. Yeah, okay, this one is my opacity is increased and my shadow effect is also decreased. So this one is my one result, and after that I need to add some um, different elements. Let me increase this blurriness. Press on the effect. Again, I'm going to select the effect because I think so I need to make it more visible. Select here and decrease the opacity. From here, you can also select your opacity by giving them a number like this. Okay. This one is the my opacity, so that's it. We can do like that. We can also increase the blurriness. Let me decrease the blurriness as well. Stylus, outer glow, and I need to decrease my blurriness to the 20. Let's see what will effect we get. Yeah, it will look fine to me. And after that, I need to add one arrow effect. So for that, first of all, create a one design. Yeah, one line with my pen tool like this. Press escape. and I just need some stroke from here. And after that, we need a one windows. Go to the windows, we need a brushes, select on the brushes, and in the brushes, we have a different type of arrows as well. Click on the arrows and select according to your requirement, which you think it suits your complete design. This one is the standards one. Suppose I'm going to, if we are going to select this one, so you can select any you want, okay? And you can also decreases the stroke by selecting this one, and then you can decrease the stroke size. So you can adjust according to your design as well. Okay, these are all the designs that we have. After that, I need to create some effects like we need giving them some discount. So how I create that design? For that, go to the star, and in star you guys normally can see that we have only 5 points, but I need to increase my points. So how you can do that? Simply there's one option, select the star, click, and from here you can increases the points. And other thing is that create a star, and you can press the up button and the down button from your keyboard. If I'm pressing the down, it will reduce the stars points, but if I press the up button, it will increases the star points. And there's one other thing is that by pressing the control and I move like that, okay, it will gives me a short sharp corner, and if I move to the downside, it will give me something like that, okay. And I'm again going to decrease the my points and press the control and then down. Here you can see this is the one shape that I get, and after that I need to fill a color some. So I need a blue or yellow color. Just going to eyedrop it, and here you can see I got a yellow color, but I also need some border effect, and the border will be the white one. Okay, here you can see now I need to increase the stroke size from here, and stroke design. This one is a basic, but I need something blurry effect like this one. We can also select this one. I think so this one is fine. Yeah, like it gives us some design effect. Drop down by pressing the shift like this and move it here. Here you can see this is the one design that we can get like that. We can move something like that, okay. And we can also give them some shadow effect if we need, like go to the effect, outer shadow, and apply effect. So yeah, I just need to select this one, effect, and drop down shadow, but here I need a black one. Here you see this one is the drop down shadow that I get now. And now I'm going to write if you need to write anything, you simply need to click on this T one, and there's one option is Control T. Okay, just press T and 50% off. Okay, and now I need to increase the size and change the color of my design. I'm going to select this color, give it a white color, and from here we need to select some designs, oh sorry, font styles. So we can select the font styles as well from here. And if I need to make it more bolder, we can select it here. We can increase the font size from here, and here you can see there's a lot of gap between these two. I'm also able to decrease the size by selecting this one. From here you can or add manually, and you can also use these arrow buttons. You increase or decreases the size. Let's adjust this in that shape. Here you can see this one is my 1 point. After that, now I need to write some text in my complete banner. First of all, I'm going to write and I need to change the font style. So font style, again, I select this one, my complete text, and find the font. Like I think this one looks nice. I just going to select this font, change the color to my white one like this. And if you need to increase the size, you can increase like this as well. Okay, and you can adjust it according to your design. Other than that, I'm going to write something like this, and then select this one, and again select your font size you want. Like I like this one, I'm giving them this one, and from here I'm going to select the color yellow. It again increases the size to 60, 70. We can adjust the size later. Okay, this one is my one design. Move it down and move it down. Okay, and at the bottom again we need some text, like order now, but now I need to decrease the size. Simply select this one, press Ctrl T. If you don't have this panel, just press the Ctrl T. Again select the font size from here, change the color to a white one. Okay, and you can also change your connect. Okay, you can also change your font style, and you can also increase your font size. Okay, this one is the order now. After that, we are just going to give them some dummy number like this, and then any email. Okay, now there is one thing you can see, the alignment. Okay, but I need that the alignments needs to be at the center. From here, this is the alignment one. We make it at the center alignment. We decreases this distance between the text, this, and we also need to decreases the size like this, and again adjust the distance, and then place it at the center. Here you can see we have a complete design. And after that, if I need to save this in the JPG, go to the files, export as, and then go to the drop down. These are all the options, like we need PNG, JPG, PSD. I'm going to select this in the JPG and then simply export it. From here, we can also select the color mode, quality, and maximum. Okay. Then go to your folder. Let's wait. Okay, there's one thing here you can see, we don't get only our output, we get some designs outside the output. So what's the issue with that? Again, go to the export as. Okay, JPG, and use artboard. From here we need to check use artboard. Okay, then it's only able to select this one, not the whole screen. Again, export this one. Okay, and now you can see it only select the artboard design for us, and this one is our complete design. Okay, that's it for this one.